Good morning.
Mind that, sir.
Morning, sir.
Mind it, sir.
Can I ask you one question? Why are you a rat catcher?
I'm not a rat catcher.
Why aren't you?
Why aren't I a rat catcher?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. Why aren't you a rat catcher?
Well, what do you do with the rats?
I ain't never seen... Get out!
You got that one. How many do you normally get in a day?
Well, I don't like to count them, really. I think that's the Inspector of Taxes.
They don't bite, do they?
No.
This is a problem, of course, that affects all mankind.
Yeah, well, I don't come in the heading of that category.
Yes. There's another one down there.
Yes, sir. You can have him. They're all free here, you know.
Thank you very much.
Not like London. What?
Have you a message?
What?
Any message?
Who for?
For the rat catchers, the rest of them.
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you very much.
Get out of it there, boy. Get out.
How did you get your present position, sir?
What?
How did you get your present position?
How did I get to my present position?
Yes.
Well, by car.
Yes, I see. What do you think of the colour bar?
Well, I never use it, actually. I drink at home.
Where's that?
Well, it's cheaper, I suppose. There's so many people around, it's such noise.
Don't you think that drinking at the colour bar would improve relations?
Oh, I've never been able to improve my relations. They're just horrible.
What do you think about the Commonwealth? Are you thinking of leaving?
Not at the moment. It's a bit early.
I see.
Why?
What's your next appointment?
With the Queen.
And what's she going to do?
I don't know. I think I'm getting an OBE this morning. I really got to go now. I'm awfully late.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, sir. What is your job?
I am a Mule Nut rivet observer in the Blin factory works, and it is my duty to see that all the mule nuts, that is this one here, are in position before the car goes to the sales room.
What about greasing nipples?
That is a different department, sir. Some of my bosom friends are doing that job.
And how about the camshafts? Do you do those too?
I don't know anything about anything except the mule nut, which has to be in that position, sir.
Isn't that rather a limiting job, sir?
Yes, but we have to make employment for people, and whereas in the old days there was unemployment, now we have plenty of employment because we have jobs for people who watch the mule nut in the car.
Thank you very much indeed.
Yes.
When did you turn the first sod?
Well, earlier on, you see, about February, you turn your first sod over, you see. Then you put down some of the coral seeds on you, around about March, April, you get them coming up again. See?
How do you manage about manure?
Well, we go and squeeze a cow now and then, you see. That's what we say, like squeeze a cow, you see.
That's a country expression, isn't it?
Well, yes, you can use it in the town if you like, you know.
Just lastly, have you any thoughts on the birds and the bees? Do they help your flowers?
I don't know. They seem to do all right on their own, you know.
How far have you been today?
I've been up to Newcastle.
What sort of loads are you carrying?
Oh, it didn't have any load on this time. No.
Don't you like loads?
Well, no. Rather travel empty.
But surely that's your business to carry loads.
Oh, yeah, yes. But, you know, it's like try to get away with as much as you can. You know, that is.
What sort of signs do you prefer on the roads?
Pubs and all that. Pull up. Lay by, half a mile ahead.
Is it an easy life?
Well, if you use your love, you know, you don't have to do much.
And what do you think about policemen?
Oh, well, I'd rather not say.
Do you get any birds on the roads?
Round Mole Wood, we pick up one or two birds. What?
Oh, it sounds interesting.
Oh, it's all right then.